Monday, 10:01 a.m.
Hi, this is Tracy Johnson, calling from Seven River College to witness my thanks and gratitude for my children. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I really enjoy everything, and the kids are very blessed. Thank you. Also, I'm enjoying the book, The Purpose of Driven Life, that someone gave me in my gift box. Please give me a call at 443. Thank you. God bless.